Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, we don't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we're gonna be touching bases on Castro Maritime. That's ticker symbol CTRM. It was a great day for Castro Maritime shareholders. We up 16% just today alone. That's a nice movement we had. We opened at 89 cents. The high was 101. The low was 86 cents. The 52-week high was 195. The 52-week low was 11 cents. So where we headed and where do we have support at? So if we look on the 1-day chart right here, we hit 95 cents, about 95, 96 cents. We hit that about 7 times after lunchtime, showing that we forming a nice support right around 95 cents. So, and we showing a resistance at 101. If we look back on the 1 week chart, when we hit 101 previously, we had a little time getting through it. So just like today, around 3 p.m. we hit 101. We broke that $1 threshold and hit 101 and got stuck, and we tanked back down towards 95, 96, right where that support at. And once we break through 101, which could be tomorrow, which could be the day after, once we break through that 101, we'll shoot straight up. Look on a 1 month chart, we'll shoot straight up to $1.11. And once we break that 111, we're going straight off to 123. And once we break 123, that'll be the last resistance points that's in our way from revisiting that 52-week high of 195. And once we reach 195, we can go to 2 and so forth. And once we get to $5, that's when the big boys start to get. That's when they get in tune with this. They start to add to their positions. So let's check it out, y'all. Let's check out the news on Castro Maritime. Why Castro Maritime stock just popped? What happened? There appear to be 2 reasons for this, one good and one bad, but I fear it's the bad one that's moving Castro Maritime stock today. So what? Good news first. The Baltic Exchange Dry Index, BDI, which tracks the rate shippers like Castro Maritime can get for hauling dry bulk goods, coal, iron pellets, and grain across the ocean, continues to surge higher. Just 1 month ago, the BDI was at 1315. On Friday, website tradingeconomics.com clocked it at 1,829. That's a gain of 39% in less than 30 days, and is is indicative of good pricing power among dry bulk shipping stocks that should translate into gains in revenue and profits in the quarters to come. So that's huge, y'all. Basically, the shipping rates has went up by 39%, and basically that the pricing is going to go into the next quarter, the quarter earnings. So whenever they report their earnings for the quarter, since the shipping rate had went up, that would be positive for the quarter. That will bring more revenue, because they're usually bringing in a certain amount, because the shipping rate was at 1,315. Now it's at 1,829. So the revenue, if they doing the same business or even more business, if they doing even more business, that'd be even better. But if they doing the same business as usual, the revenue in the quarter for the quarter would be even more, because the rate, the pricing that they charging is much higher. So that's good news, y'all. So let's check it out. But here's the thing: if this were just a story about the BDI rising, then you would expect shares of rival dry bulk shippers to be surging as well. But it's not at all clear that this is what's happening. Diana Shipping, for example, a smaller rival of Castro, is enjoying a 5% rise today, while Star Bulk Carriers, a much bigger rival with more market health, is up just 0.5%. Higher rates for dry bulk shippers should benefit all of these companies more or less equally. However, the fact that this isn't reflected in the stock prices today suggests that Castro Maritime stock continues to be moved more by Robinhood traders, making momentum-based Wall Street bets on the advice of Reddit than by actual investors tracking the fundamentals of the stock. And if this the case, as fast as Castro Maritime went up today, it could go down. It could go right back down tomorrow. And that's very true. I explained that. I told y'all about that in my previous videos from today. I was letting y'all know the stock market game, this game is nothing like it used to be back in the day. People used to look at the fundamentals and the news and all this to determine what a stock would do. But now it's basically all pure technical analysis, reading the charts. You get what I'm saying? Buying the rumor, selling the news, all that good stuff. It's a different game than it was once before. So let's carry on though, y'all. I think that's all I really got for y'all today on this stock. And for my newbies, anybody that's just new to Castro Maritime, if you're looking for an entry point, somewhere good to get in at, that would be, I told you right where I support it, around 95, 96 cents. If I see this thing around 95, 96 cents, boom, I strike. I get a few shares. And if I see it pull all the way back to 89 cents, I get a couple more shares. And if it pull back 85, I get some more. And if you see this thing drop below 79 cents, we'll get out of there. And we'll re-enter for a way cheaper price. So that's how we'll play this one. Long term, this Castro Maritime looking pretty good. So we'll keep y'all updated. You already know, if you like these type of updates, these type of stock predictions, these hot stocks, consider joining the family. We post this type of content every single day. And we out, y'all. God bless.